a boy and his big sheep. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Timmy who lived on a farm. He had a big sheep named Fluffy who loved to play hide and seek. Timmy would always find Fluffy hiding behind trees or in the barn. One sunny day, Timmy decided to take Fluffy on a walk through the fields. They walked hand in hand, enjoying the warm breeze and the sound of birds chirping. As they strolled, Fluffy suddenly stopped and started bleating loudly. Timmy looked up and saw a flock of birds flying overhead. Fluffy was trying to imitate their sounds. Timmy laughed and hugged his silly sheep. They continued their walk, feeling happy and content.